What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new stuff that we just got for the E36. As you can probably tell by the title and see in the background, we got a black coupe carpet, and I'm super excited. These things are so hard to find, and you're probably wondering, like, damn, how'd you find one that freaking clean? I'm going to put pictures up right now on the screen of what the condition was when I first got it, and then I actually had it steam cleaned by this company here in North Carolina, and they cleaned it for me, and this is how it looks now. So check it out. It looks really nice and mint. Bunch of coffee stains were on this. It's still kind of damp and wet. I'm not sure how long. I think I have to wait another day for it to dry up, or maybe like another couple hours. They did it today, so I don't know. They did a really good job. It looks good. And this is a coupe dashboard. So yeah, I'm the dash master now. I have so many freaking dashes. I have a whole collection. I have my old one and the sedan one and this one, and then I was about to buy another one, a coupe one. So if you guys need a coupe dashboard, let me know. I know a guy selling one in Kansas, so I don't know, up to you. If you are interested, let me know. So pretty much in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you some of the new things that we got. We got the dash. It's in very good condition. It's in actually better condition than the sedan one I had. So still in very good condition. The carpet is decent condition, except the previous owner, not the guy who took it out for me, it was already cut like this. I don't know, he said that there was an amplifier going to the trunk, so just for sound purposes, he actually went and cut this. Pretty stupid. I don't know why somebody would do that, but he kind of ruined the look of the carpet. Hopefully I can make this work and not show. If it does show, I'll probably get it sewed or something, or I don't know. I feel like that's not the end of the world. So the carpet's in fairly good condition. Had a bunch of stains and everything, as you guys saw in the photo, but it's okay. It's not too bad. John from Thick Whips, he might come up this weekend and grab this carpet, and I think he's gonna grab a couple other things, because why not? Might as well give it to him if he needs it. He can use it and dye the carpet and get a black carpet. And his new E36 M3, if you guys are interested in checking out his videos, link down below in the description, so feel free to check that out. So he's gonna come grab this. This is my new center console trim. I actually just got this in the mail, so super cool. I got a couple other things I guess I can show you guys. I got the center console in black as well, and where'd it go? Where is it? It's in this box. Center console is in here. I also have the cup holders for that center console, for the cup holder thing, and I think this is the kick panel for the passenger side. So the speaker grill, also black. So got a couple things, still have a lot more things to go. A majority of this is just gonna be putting it back together, and the rest is just I can wait for it to come. But I really wanna get this stuff out of the way because I need the space in the garage, and also because it's just, I'm tired of seeing the E36's interior just fully gutted like this. I just want it to be back in shape. And I also got this steam clean, but I also got this separately on eBay. This is a very hard and super rare part. It's really hard to find used. We almost have to buy brand new, and if you buy brand new, if you go on ECS Tuning, they want like more than what the carpet is worth for this one piece. So I got super lucky and snagged that. Super happy about that, because now I don't have to work with any dye. I have a fully black carpet and a full black dash. No dye, no paint, none of that bullshit. Just straight up actual shit. Yeah, it's used in whatever, but I'll clean it up. I had it steam cleaned. This is the best condition this carpet's probably ever been in since it was new, and that'll be enough for the car. So once that is in, we can start buying the little things needed. I still need the knee guard thing for the driver's side. I also have a glove compartment. It's in the Mercedes. I forgot to take it out. I think it's about to start raining. I don't want my carpet to get any more wet or damp than it already is. So I'm just gonna start putting the interior back together, and we can pretty much start this video off. So yeah. Okay, I literally called it. It literally started pouring. I have to quickly run and pull this inside. Thank God I didn't get any more wet than it was. But I think it's time, guys. I think it's time I start putting the interior back together. So I don't know if I'm going to time lapse or I'll just show specific highlights. I just want to put everything back, and I also need to wipe down some of the bare interior. I haven't gotten to that. I should probably do that and then start putting the carpet back. But yeah, it's time. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. By the time this scene cuts, the carpet should be in, and I should start putting in the dash. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, I was really struggling to get this carpet in, and I'm sweating like crazy, and I'm extremely exhausted. But a lot of the coffee stains and stuff that the steam cleaner took out, I wish I waited a little bit longer to take this out, because or put this in, because it's still kind of damp. It's not soaked, but it's just still kind of damp. So when I was pushing down, it would like squeeze the water out, and then like my hands would get sticky and gross, and like you can tell it's like coffee and Coca-Cola spilled over the years. So I got the carpet in, I got the pedal back in, the clutch stop back in, the throttle screw back in, just the carpet back in, the bench back in, got the wiring back out of the seat belt and everything for the seat, just in case I end up putting Vader's back in. and pretty much, it's pretty much complete, the carpet process. Now I don't need to worry about it, and I can start working on that pedal, working on the trim pieces. When I say pedal, I mean the clutch bushings, the pedal bushings, and also I just need to work on finding the door sills. The door sills, I ordered them, they're just not here yet. I don't know why FCP Euro was taking so long, so all that's left now is patience and waiting. So tomorrow I will continue this. I need to get some rest because I'm exhausted, because that was a lot of work. Like, that was extremely tiring, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow to continue the dash installation. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and a lot of things got done, and I'm just gonna update you guys because I didn't have the chance to film. I just wanted to get it over with. So getting the dashboard in was actually not hard at all. It was getting the carpet in that was kind of a bitch. So basically, we got the carpet in, we got the center console in, we got the new cup holders, I got this as well. I got all these little things installed and ready to go. I still need to order a new shift boot and a shift knob, but radio, everything is down and back in. I just reconnected the battery, everything is functional and working properly. I still have to source a glove box or figure out what I need to do with that. I got this brand new, I got a new gas pedal, I got this brand new, this door sill. I have my current door sills right there, the outer ones with the M3 logo. I have them masked off, one of them if you can see, and I'm going to paint those black because I feel like there's no point in wasting money on those. But the carpet is in, the dashboard's in, the interior looks fantastic. Check that out. I think it looks amazing. I'm so used to it now. It's been a couple of days since it's been like this, but the nicest difference I saw that I didn't realize I would appreciate is that I don't see gray coming from the front anymore, so it kind of looks cool. And I got the rear seat deletes from MK Motorsports. I'm probably gonna give you guys an install video on that or an unboxing video on that first, and then we'll get that installed down for the next video. But we pretty much have made a bunch of progress. I even got the steering column bearing swapped out. I still need to get a new steering wheel, which I did order. It is on the way. I ordered a Sparkle steering wheel, and I have a new hub coming too. I also, while I was down there by the glove compartment, changed the cabin filter. So I've just been doing little things like servicing that I need to do while everything's out, so might as well like just knock it out. So I figured, what's the point of filming all that? Or I just didn't feel like filming any of that. I didn't even feel like filming putting the dashboard in. I wish I did that because that was pretty fun and easy. But anyways, so everything's pretty much sorted out and in. Now all that's left is the little annoying things. I really need to do my clutch pedal bushings. I actually ordered those two, they're right there. I need to service that as well. And I'm just getting little things out of the way so when we are back and up and running again, nothing is sloppy. Everything's nice and new and firm. Changing the cabin filter was huge because whenever I'd have my fan setting set to max, it would barely push out any air. So I figured might as well just do it while everything is out. So that's that. That's pretty much the update on the E36. As you guys can see, the carpet is gone because John from Thick Whips, he took it. I gave him my old carpet. He gave me some Modena door cards as exchange. I mean, I didn't really care. I didn't really care about the carpets. I was like, take it, but I needed the door cards so I can snag the speaker grills and just some parts off of it in case I might need. And that pretty much is it. So all that's left now is this glove compartment, getting these door sills installed or painted and installed, getting the rear seat deletes on, and then getting a half cage, and then I can just start ordering the seats. Once I get the seats in, we're pretty much done. Well, I'd also have to source a harness as well, but whatever, as time goes on, we will be able to continue doing that. So guys, that pretty much does it for this video. In today's video, we got the carpet in and we got the dashboard in. So now all that's left is getting the rest of the little small things sourced and finished, and then we can have a satisfying interior renovation, if you will. But anyway guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.